Hi guys, so all of a sudden we live in tropical weather here in San Diego, so I decided to go with my husband up the mountain to go check out the storm. Say hi, baby!
What's up?
So if you are going up Mount Laguna towards Julian, anything around that area in California, whoa, I almost just ate shit. Please go to the Junction, the Descanso Junction, because it is so tasty. I just had the best grilled cheese of my life. So excuse my dirty window, but holy fuck, it's so green! It was just summer and it's still so green out here. Look at that. Let me like roll down the window. Maybe you'll be able to see. There you go. Woo! I don't know if you can see on the window, but there's a few raindrops starting to come. It's not as stormy as we had anticipated coming up here, but there's still some sprinkles. It still looks pretty fucking beautiful. It looks like fall is coming. So happy that the last heat wave is over because, guys, I was dying. Guys, I found a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Look in the background. Oh my god, somebody's dressed as T-Rex. Yes! Best trip to the mountains ever. So it's nice and chilly. Woo! So fucking pretty. The T-Rex is going back home to the forest where they belong. Okay, so I think I'm going to get out and try to get some footage of this area with you guys, but it's windy as fuck. It's actually literally shaking the car right now while we're still sitting inside, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to get good quality footage for you. Footage. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get good quality video for you guys, but I'll see what I can do. Okay, it's not that bad. Hopefully the audio is not botched as fuck. Check it out. This is like a windstorm. This is also a memorial spot for a lot of people who have passed on, and either they were in the area when they passed, or maybe it was just their favorite spot. But if you climb up, you can see even more of the little valley down below. That's a desert town down there. What is that town called, babe? Man of many words is now silenced. But yeah, this is one of our favorite spots to go. It's just really breathtaking, really calming.
All this super dark right here is strata, or whatever you want to call it. It's going towards all coming this way for the most part.
So should we go to Lake Cuyamaca?
That's what it seems like.
Well, then let's go. I don't know if I'm even in the frame. It's finally pumpkin pie season. This is Julian Cafe's pumpkin apple pie. As far as I know, this is the only place in Julian where you can get this delicious masterpiece. And of course, since we were in the area, I just had to stop by. Okay, so I'm really bad at filming outros. Sorry about that. But I wanted to pop in really quick and thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. I appreciate every single one of you and I hope you all have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click subscribe down below. Give me a thumbs up if you really liked this content. That way I know what to show you. And as always, stay positive.